Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Pushpaji, Komal, Rashmi, Pranavi, Sarulata, and Komal for joining in. And before we go forward, I had just posted in the group. How many of you remember the traffic jam? Sarulata just shared it with me. So let's hear it from someone else. Please raise your hand. Let's hear it from you. No one? All right. Let's hear it from you, Pushpaji.
Yeah, traffic jam means sometimes we are stuck in traffic and there is a lot of traffic jam on the road. The
Hmm.
same way, sometimes in our life also we are having traffic jam of thoughts in our
Hmm.
brain. So we
Hmm.
stuck in life many times.
Yes. Amazing. Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that. All right, let's go on to the next chapter. Today we are going to start with chapter number 4, and that is the first wheel of life. That is our personal life. And the chapter that we are going to read about is growing through gratitude. How many of you do gratitude journaling every single day?
I used to do it.
Mm-hmm.
I was enrolled in different programs. Those teachers made me do it. So then it was a habit. But
Mm-hmm.
now, because then we see AB activity, then yeah. But it was like I was doing like an activity because writing was involved and 10 15 minutes. And sometimes gratitude walk was there. Like
Hmm.
15 minutes I would walk and
Komal, if you have been with me, you should know that the gratitude journaling should be the first thing that you should be adopting in your life.
Yeah, I start my day with gratitude.
Wow, that's amazing. How about Saru, Rashmi, Pranavi?
victory
Give me
logo.
a raise of hand. How many of you do the gratitude?
Yeah, I would actually get up early in the morning, and with the yoga students itself, I'll make them realize the importance of the life and how to be thankful with the God for every small thing gifted by Him to us.
Amazing.
So, yeah.
Wonderful. What about Komal, Shagufta? Sarulata has raised her hand. I saw that. Komal says victory log also you do. Yes, I do victory log. I do gratitude log. Because if you do not count your wins, you the days you go low, you stop. And that if you do your victory log or you count your wins of the day, you keep going, right? All right, let's hear and let's read what does the author has to share on this. Let me share my screen. I was expecting that Shagufta should also be doing gratitude.
Yes,
Shagufta,
yes, yes, yes. Daily 10 gratitudes.
wonderful, amazing. Who else is there? Pranavi ka ho gaya. Rashmi, would you please switch on your camera, show us your beautiful face, and introduce yourself to us as well?
Hi, Karishma. Can you see me?
Hello.
Okay.
Huh. Chalo, let's hear it from you.
Yeah,
Share about yourself.
I end up my day with gratitude. And once I end up my day with gratitude, I have a more positive outlook for the next day. So it is very important to have this practice in everyday life because
Wonderful.
then you realize what all you have, what all
Amazing.
you cherish in your life rather than complaining what is missing in your life.
Wow. Would you like to introduce yourself to the group, please?
Yeah, so I'm Rashmi Agarwal. I'm a counseling psychologist, and I have my private practice here in Mumbai, online as well as offline. And I also work with an NGO, Adapt Skill Development Center, that is for special people. So I work here as a visiting psychologist,
Wow.
and my attitude towards life has changed since I joined this Adapt Society, Spastic Society.
Wow.
Because going there, I realized how much I have in my life that I
Wow.
can be thankful for. Yeah. be it their parents, be it actually basically young adults and adults out there central. So we deal with them for behavioral modification and with their parents for their like anxiety, for their stress. And yeah, once I reach home after visiting the center, sometimes I have tears in my eyes. But yes, there's always a feeling of gratitude for to have, what I am blessed. Thank you so much.
Wow. So nice to have you in this room.
Thank you so much. I'm really sorry I'm not being regular because of my erratic work hours. In fact, I have filled the form today only. I'm really sorry for like being inflexible.
That's okay. No. Please do not be sorry. I always keep telling everybody who knows me for even 5 days would know Karishma sorry nahi leti hai. Karishma says, I operate from the space of love and koi to bata do. Love and
Understanding.
understanding.
Thank you so much for for that attitude. And yeah, whenever my time permits, I'll try my best to join the this meeting.
अरे मैं बोल रही हूँ मेरे को सॉरी मत बोलो एंड आई हैव हु इज दिस नेहा इन द चैट सेइंग हाय करिश्मा सो सॉरी आई एम लेट टुडे आई वाज सुपर बिजी अरे मेरी जान सॉरी मत बोलो आई लव यू थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर चलो now let's start reading. Let me start sharing the screen once again and let's get into the chapter. Personal life. Chapter number 4. Growing through gratitude. We must find positivity in the bleakest situations and live by the principle of gratitude. Michelle Obama says, we learned about gratitude and humility, that so many people had a hand in our success, from the teachers who inspired us to the janitors who kept our school clean. And we were taught to value everyone's contribution and treat everyone with respect. Isn't that true? Everybody should be respected equally. How many of you drink tea in the same mug and offer the same mug to your house help? I would like to see faces.
Me.
Amazing. Amazing. I love that, Rashmi. Amazing, Pushpa. What about others? क्यों?
For the same mug means?
जिस कप में आप पीते हो उसी सेम कप में पीती है कि कोई और एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल ग्लास रखा है उसके लिए?
Sometimes she's sharing, sometimes it's separate. So it's like a mix of the खाना जो मम्मा देते हैं वो that plates are same, but glasses I'll admit I have the two because you know I am into little bit of OCD also. तो मैंने उनके लिए रखा हुआ है, ये तुम्हारा है. Right. बाकी other plates and spoon everything she's sharing. Yeah, same like us.
All right.
Tea also, tea mugs also sometimes. Yeah.
Amazing. Neha says, I made a request to my mom for doing this. Good. I like that. I like this room and this energy in this room. People are already evolved. All right. Let's go into the chapter. Harry's fair complexion brought out contrast in his dark brown eyes. The eyes are the window of the soul, I thought. As he stared at me, I noticed parts of his sclera were bloodshot, partly from the stress of telling me his miseries and partly from the excitement of the conversation that lay ahead of us. The traffic of the mind, you were saying, Harry said, eager to get back on the track again. We lost eye contact briefly as he stretched his neck above the steering wheel so to see if the traffic was clearing ahead. It was albeit at a sluggish pace. So the traffic of the mind, he repeated. The traffic of the mind, I smiled at him. The mind is what we use to perceive the world. We don't see things as they are. We see things as we are. Like your sunglasses. I pointed to his designer sunglasses resting on his dashboard. When you wear them, the way you see the world changes. Things that once looked bright now look dull and lifeless. The things themselves haven't changed. Our perception has. The car at a complete standstill, Harry fiddled with his frames of his sunglasses, pondering my point. But things do change over time. My wife and I have become entirely different people. I agree. The sands of the time slow for a man. Things change for better and for worse. But what we choose to perceive is up to us. But that is a personal choice. Do we see the positive or the negative in a situation? Let me check in the book. It's on to us, I think. Do we see now? Do we see the positive or the negative in the situation? I could sense his confusion. Let me give you a personal example, I said and explained. See the positive. We all boil at different degrees. Some of us have temperaments like the Indian summer, hot, sticky, and easily irritable. Yet some can remain level-headed in the worst of calamities, and as a monk, I was taught to control my emotions. So naturally, I assumed that I was in the later level-headed category. That was until the day I realized I wasn't there yet. To most people, the word ashram induces a romanticized vision of a temple situated in the foothills of the mountain whose name is difficult to pronounce. But not our ashram. Our ashram is a network of corridors in South Mumbai, a part of town that never sleeps. With over 100 monks living together, it can feel congested at times. One can imagine how long we are waiting for the bathrooms in the morning. One day, 10 years ago, I stormed into the room of my spiritual guide, Radhanath Swami. We are fortunate that he lives with us in the ashram, giving us easy access to him to share our joys and listen to our grievances. Have you been inside his quarters? They are extraordinary. If you could capture the smell of simplicity and sell it as a fragrance, it would be the essence of his room. Measuring a mere 5 square meters, with 2 simple tube lights and a straw mat that line the floor, it feels as if one is entering a village home. The place is barren of furniture except for a small table that rests a few inches above the ground and a wooden chair for the elderly guests who visit him. Bookshelves line 2 of the walls up to the ceiling, with ancient books of wisdom sitting side by side with contemporary research. Musical instruments, a harmonium and a mridangam drum, sit next to the focal points of the room. A small altar on which rest the deities of his meditation. Oh my God. It's all changing, I whispered under my breath as I knocked on my guru's door. Come in, he said. I sulked to the wooden door with my head down. Radhanath Swami was sitting on the floor at his modest desk, his legs crossed and back straight. I repeated what I had said a little louder as I sat down and crossed my legs. It's all changing. I could not take it. I had to tell him. Gaur Gopal, he said inquisitively in his American accent that now had hints of an Indian one. He peered at me over his reading glasses with a penetrating gaze. He closed the book he was reading, which had a cover that looked like a relic from the bygone era and went back to his original stance with his hands on his laps. I had his attention. That was my signal to speak. I exploded. For 45 minutes, I nitpicked every grievance I had with the management of the temple and the many people who had wronged me. I complained that if this continued, it would ruin our community. I felt like self-appointed savior who had to point out these negative mannerisms creeping into our society. If we do nothing about all this, everything will be spoiled. I finally ended. He sat there with a grave look on his face. Not a word left his mouth as I grumbled on. Have you finished? He said sternly. I sighed. Yes. There are so many positive things happening in our community, he started. For the next 45 minutes, he did not mention a single complaint I had made. He only focused on the positives, uplifting my mood. I am not saying these problems don't exist, but the real problem is that when negativity consumes the mind, not only do we lose the vision, we see the beautiful things around us, but also the ability to solve the problems that confront us. We have to train our mind to focus on the positive and feel empowered to deal with the negative. He then spent equal amount of time going through the practical solutions of all the problems and then swiftly instructed me to go for the lunch with all the other monks. In the dining hall, he did not ignore the fact that some of my complaints were genuine. It was not the problem I had were not real. We all go through real challenges for which solutions should be found. But what Radhanath Swami taught me was the power of having a positive state of mind whilst dealing with problems constructively. That brings a lot of clarity, Harry said. I could sense a but. But how long did your positive attitude last? Are you telling me that Radhanath Swami just told you to be positive and it miraculously happened? Well, the miracle lasted at least an hour until lunchtime. I laughed. This state of mind develops over time, and I realized that fully while eating lunch. Before we go ahead, did any of you resonate with what we have read today? As of now. अच्छा सबके कैमरास ऑफ हो जाते हैं जब मैं बुक शेयर करती हूँ.
No,
You
it's
go
on.
for dinner or what? Oh, Sandhya has a bacha with him, her. He's also reading with us. Wow, and amazing. Learnings. What is your learning for the part that we have read so far? Raise your hand. I'll take 2 shares. Let's see who grabs the opportunity first. Wonderful. Let's go with Pushpa ji and then Shagufta. अभी किसी और को हाथ नहीं ऊपर उठाना हो.
वेल जब हम अपने माइंड को फोकस पॉजिटिविटी पे फोकस करने के लिए ट्रेन करते हैं तो हम नेगेटिविटी को बहुत अच्छे से हैंडल कर लेते हैं. हम एम्पावर हो जाते हैं उसको हैंडल करने
Yes. Do you have a story to tell on this? From your own life? Where did you resonate with this point? हाय आपकी कभी अपने हस्बैंड से लड़ाई नहीं होती?
हाँ होती है लड़ाई. तो
And then?
हाँ तो ऐसे लगता है मतलब sometimes we think like he's not loving me, but that is not the thing. That is overthinking, and everybody is having the different way of showing love. So we should not focus on negativity, and rather we have to focus on positivity. तो वो negative thoughts handle करने के लिए हम empower हो जाते हैं.
Amazing. Thank you for sharing that. Let's hear it from you, Shagufta.
थैंक यू सो मच। प्रॉब्लम्स तो सबकी लाइफ में होती है, प्रॉब्लम्स आर अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ, but usually if we give energy to the problem is going to be grow. Rather than we give energy to the positivity will grow and give opens our mind to see the solutions for the problems.
Yes. Anything that you would like to relate in your life with this book?
Yes, basically I have a child of 7 years old. He's hyperactive, so till today मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि यार ये इतना परेशान क्यों करता है। मेरी एनर्जी ड्रेन हो जाती थी उसको हैंडल करते करते। एंड एट द लास्ट आई वाज एंड कि ये सुधरने वाला नहीं है। आई ट्राइड सो मेनी काउंसलिंग्स आल्सो, टेकन द अपॉइंटमेंट बट डिड नॉट वेंट कि नहीं यार इसको नहीं जाने देना है ऐसे ही। बट नाउ टुडे in the group we have a separate group, another group. In that I just find it out to call someone, and I called the girl and she is a coach, and just I placed the situations and she said no, it's not a big deal, you are focusing on that, so that is growing more, don't focus on that. तो उसने बोला कि आप एक नॉर्मल बच्चे को जैसे ट्रीट करते हैं ना वैसे ट्रीट कीजिए, उसका बिहेवियर चेंज होगा। देन while the call my child went to the tuition. As he arrived I did the same thing what she said. Then yeah, it's normal. Then I said yeah, my focus is on that, that's why it's looking me more and more.
Wonderful. Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. Very good. I love
Yeah.
the way you have related it to your real life problem. Amazing.
Yeah, thank you so much. And after this also related with your chapter.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Amazing. I normally tell that thoughts, whether they are positive or negative, they never come alone. They come like mice in the house. एक चूहा नहीं आता है. There are multiple that come along. And thoughts are also like that. One negative thought can lead to multiple negative thoughts. And if you keep on focusing on them, they will keep growing and growing and growing. Yes, Rashmi, please go ahead. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, Karishma. Please do read my message. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Thank you. And if it is a positive thought, likewise, एक पॉजिटिव थॉट के बारे में सोचोगे तो आपको बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव थॉट्स आएंगे. You say one negative about your husband, you will have 20 more negatives lined up. You say one positive about your husband, you will have 20 more positives lined up. Choice is yours. With which frame do you want to see the world? Right? All right, let's go ahead. An unforgettable lunch. I left Radhanath Swami's room in the high spirits. That's one of the effects of enlightened people. They make others feel inspired in their company. I galloped to the lunch hall. Not physically. Anyone who has ever worn a dhoti would understand how hard that is. I galloped to the lunch hall, elated and full of energy, positive energy. The kitchen at our ashram cooks lunch for over 200 people daily. They have pots bigger than some grown men and gas burners with flames larger than many ceremonial wedding fires. National Geographic features our kitchen in their documentary of India's mega kitchens. Steamed rice, dal, spicy vegetable curries, and hot bread chapatis. A simple but satisfying lunch. What enhanced the flavor for me even more was new appreciation for the people around me. The people in the room were a bit like my lunch. On occasions, the dal does not have enough salt, the curry is too spicy, or the gulab jamun has a bit too much ghee. However, they still nourish me. I looked at every face in the hall. I may have perceived faults in them in the past, but they had all helped me in my journey. I learned on that day that when we think negatively of people, we should immediately counteract that energy with contemplating 3 positive qualities they have. I did make some awkward lingering eye contacts with many of the monks in the hall as I go out at them, leaving them with confused expressions. But my intention was correct. I was training the mind to see the good. As I digested my thoughts and lunch, I returned to my room to plan for the lecture that I was giving that night. I opened my laptop that revealed a horde of unread emails. I did not have time to read them considering my pressing evening deadline. What to speak about? I thought as I rhythmically tapped my fingers against the side of the laptop and rocked in my chair. Nothing came to my mind. I was preoccupied with something in my teeth. A small cumin seed had lodged itself between the lower molar teeth on the right side of my mouth. I relentlessly fiddled with it. It was as if my tongue was playing tennis against my teeth, with the seed as the ball. After 15 minutes of frustration and feeling as if I was 2 sets down in this heated game, I went to the bathroom. My first tactic was rinsing my mouth with water. I used range of motions to flush out the cumin seed, but I had no luck. The spice that that served the space between my teeth and stayed put. My second tactic increased the pressure on my unwelcomed friend, dental floss. To be honest, and I want to apologize to the dentist reading, I rarely flossed, so I did not have the manual dexterity to use the minty fresh string. My last port to call was my interdental brushes that I used occasionally. They were little fine bristle brushes which fit between the teeth and look like tiny plague fight swords. As you can guess, I was successful. With one delicate swoop in between my teeth, I stabbed the cumin seed straight in its core, banishing it from the mouth forever. It was small but significant victory. Returning to my laptop, I knew precisely what I would present that evening. My experience with Radhanath Swami and the cumin seed. It was a sufficiently intriguing but ridiculous title to entertain the crowd. However, my incident with the seed had a valuable lesson. The mind is like the tongue. It drifts towards the negative areas in our life, making us restless and uneasy. It schemes to uproot the problems that are causing us too much pain, not realizing that the persistent scheming is causing us more emotional damage. The mind neglects the 31 other seed free areas of life, choosing not to focus on the simple joys available to us. This is not to say we should not deal with problems in our lives. We need practical solutions too. Interdental brushes are necessary, but we should not be consumed by them. They lead to misery. We have to focus on gratitude is not a feeling, okay? Gratitude is, we have to focus on gratitude. Gratitude is not a feeling. It is a state of mind that can be developed, and it allows us to tap into the reservoir of unlimited positive energy. Being grateful happens in 2 steps. The first step is to realize that there is good in the world and that the good has fallen upon us. The second is to know that goodness is coming from something other than us. An external reality is giving the gifts of grace to our very own reality. This could be our family, our friends, nature, or even God. We have so much to be grateful for. Statistically, we always have more to be grateful for than to be ungrateful. Ingratitude means to forget the blessings in our life, to ignore the kind things people have done for us. It is not just positivity we feel when we embrace gratitude. Better sleep, the ability to express more kindness, feeling more alive, and even having a stronger immune system are all benefits of being thankful. A poem composed by Johnson Ottman Jr., which we had sung in our primary school, summarizes my message eloquently. When upon life's billows you are tempest tossed, when you were discouraged, think all is lost, count your many blessings, name them one by one, and it will surprise you what the Lord has done. Wow, this is so beautiful. Count your many blessings, name them one by one, and it will surprise you what the Lord has done. So, gratitude is the key to remaining positive and happy, Harry confirmed. Certainly, I replied. It's not the happy people who are grateful, it is the grateful people who are happy. Does that make sense? Partly, Harry hesitated. I can think of things I should be grateful for, but that's not the case for everyone. I know people who have been through hell and back, whether it's losing loved ones or being disease stricken. How can they be grateful? For some reason or another, the thought of my friends in Mumbai whose daughter had been diagnosed with terminal cancer came up. Yes, you are right, Harry. It's hard to be grateful in certain situations. And we must be careful while explaining the principle to others. When people are suffering, we should not insensitively tell them to be grateful. That would be uncompassionate. Gratitude has many layers to it. Let's understand them thoroughly. We'll stop here and we'll start understanding the different layers of gratitude from tomorrow. But who would like to share their learnings now? Give me a raise of hand. फिर से cameras off. Okay, Charulata. Who else? Do you want me to pick? All right, we'll go with Sarulata, Komal Kapoor, and Madhulika. Chalo, Sarulata, please share.
Yeah, the one thing which I would like to, implement in my life is that the one negative thought we get about one person, think three positive thoughts about them. Um, for the moment, fearfully, maybe if they would have done something wrong, intentionally or unintentionally, we might consider that person as whole bad. Oh my God, I did so much good for them. They forgot everything and they did bad to me. All those things will pile up in our mind and will create a big story. And I think, we might create them as, very bad person. They might have done five good things, maybe two, three bad things, but we consider everything as that. Maybe we should, if the habit is continuing, maybe we can just sit and talk with them. Whatever you're doing is not right, we'll just sit and sort it out. But instead of that, thinking in other way that they are very bad person, they are like that always. I know, I maybe I shouldn't have done this, that, all the self-sabotaging also happens, and the unnecessary blame also happens, complaint happens, ruining the relationship actually. So instead of that, we should consider three positive things at the moment, that calms our mind and helps us think in a better way. Okay, this has happened now, that doesn't mean the situation is entirely bad or the person is entirely bad, let me fix it. So that is one thing that is very grateful. And one more line which is very true is that there are always things that is ungrateful. There will be abundant of things where we are grateful for, and there is always a point wherein there are only few things which we are ungrateful for. That is very true. Like if we keep counting our blessings, there is no end to it. that thing, it was like so good.
Yes. Thank you for sharing that. I still remember, people who have been in the sessions with me would know this. One of the weekends, I told my kids to, appreciate each other. And they had nothing to appreciate. And then I asked them, ठीक है, कमियां बतानी शुरू करो, चलो. And the moment my youngest one told me these mistakes that the other child keeps on making, I told her, wait, now that you have said two, you have to tell me five for each mistake, the appreciation for the same person. And she was like, oh, kya ho gaya? And agle weekend se, no, none of them ever, made any complaints about each other. So I have three daughters, तीनों के साथ में बिठा के I used to discuss and talk about it. And they were like, नहीं नहीं नहीं, कोई नहीं है, सब बहुत अच्छे हैं. मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है, अच्छाई करो. अच्छाई करो तो ठीक है, अच्छाई करो, बहुत बढ़िया, अच्छी बात है. But that is one activity I think all should do with their kids. Although I don't say that I don't need to hear what is in their soul, what is in their heart, but making it a habit is not right. They should know if they are counting on one problem, they should go and check at least. The book says 3. I used to tell them कि 5 अच्छाई बताओ अब इसके बारे में, and they will like गलती हो गई एक भी बुराई करके. So, who else was sharing? Komal Kapoor, can you please switch on your camera and let's hear it from you? हो कि चले गए, निन्नी आ गई. Let's hear it from Madhulika. Madhulika, are you with us?
Yeah, Karishma, I am very much here, but right now I'm in my another session. But yes, with all ears.
All right. So you would not be able to share what's your takeaway?
Yeah, I think I'm a little hard pressed on time.
That's okay.
So maybe if I can get the chance later on, then I'll definitely come.
Sure. All right. In that case, let's go to दूसरी वाली कोमल. कोमल अरोड़ा. अरोड़ा हो ना?
Yes, Karishma.
Hmm.
Hi, Karishma. Actually,
Komal,
yeah.
look into my eyes.
Yes, I am here.
How are you?
I'm good.
All right.
Little bit drifting off to sleep, I guess. I was little sleeping. But definitely words must have, I have talked in, but I don't have anything to say as of now. Yeah.
Oh my God, as of now भी कुछ नहीं है बोलने को. What about the first part that we read?
Basically, I'm learning that gratitude is important, and I learned the story you just shared. That is very nice. That is my takeaway. That such things are, and I've also read in some other book also. Or maybe in some podcast, I don't remember where I've seen, but mother.
अपने दांत में कुछ अटकता है तो हम उसके पीछे पड़ते हैं ना. How many of you पढ़ो उसके पीछे?
It's natural tendency. Yes.
पीछे पड़े रहते हैं ना.
Yes, tongue does it.
Neha is laughing.
True.
All right. Chalo Neha, since you're laughing, let's hear it from you then.
Thank you.
नेहा ब्रेक कर रही है यार. क्यों हंसी? 2 minutes.
I love
Okay.
the way that how the book is related with the example, the tongue and the teeth. I love the way because
Yes.
it's the best example to explain others.
You can use it in your coaching as well.
Yeah.
Yes. Do we have you, Neha,
Hi.
with us?
Yes. Hi, Karishma.
Hello.
So, I was just recollecting, I mean, I was looking into my life that what makes me, sometimes very stressful and being in negative zone. So, the thing that I can just recall is the traffic. Oh my God, like traveling from Delhi to Gurgaon seems so hectic sometimes. And I just sometimes I get so irritated in the traffic that I remind myself that Neha, no, since traffic can be really exhausting, but like for some time I need to see the positive side of it, that I'll reach office and I have to work hard and get promotion and get promoted, whatever it is, I mean earn some money. And so उसमें से भी positive सोचना पड़ता है. Just I have to sometimes, and simplest thing could be कि अपने आप को बेड से निकालना. ये समटाइम्स इतना ज्यादा लगता है कि सुबह उठना ही इतना लगता है कि क्यों उठ रहे हैं, इससे अच्छा गर्मी है बाहर, वर्कआउट क्यों करना है, मेडिटेशन क्यों करनी है, गर्मी लगती है, सो वो पॉजिटिव सोचो तो लगता नहीं यार, आई वांट टू ग्रोथ ओरिएंटेड है तो फिर ये करना पड़ेगा. So these
Normally
things.
speaking, when the why is clear,
Yes.
you will do it. Otherwise, there
Yes,
will be no reason
that's
for
true.
not doing it.
Mhm.
Amazing. Thank you for sharing that, Neha. Sandhya, are you there with us? Hmm? Yes. Chalo. What do you have to share?
Yeah, hi everyone. So sorry, I was in the middle. I was not able to connect with you all. Okay, I had little bit only. From your inputs, I got something that gratitude is the thing we have to do every day. Even for thank ourselves, also we have to do gratitude. I think so. So we are doing so many things to others. So nobody is there to thank us. We have to thank ourselves first. Then we have to thank everyone around us. I think I resonate the today's session. I don't know. I'm sorry.
अरे
Yeah,
बाप
I was
रे,
in the
दो
middle of
बार सॉरी
something.
बोला है संध्या ने, 2 बार सॉरी बोल रहा है. I'm counting on it. Don't say sorry.
Yeah.
Chalo, I have a beautiful activity for each one of you to do. That is, I would love for you to write 3 things that did not go the way you wished it to be recently. Maybe the situations that triggered, stressed, disappointment आई या frustration आई. Write it down right now. Yes. Do you have a pen and paper, Saru and Shagufta?
Yeah, I do have 3 things that has happened recently or
Yes. Write down 3 things that did not go your way recently. Situations जो जिसने आपको ट्रिगर किया हो, स्ट्रेस में डाला हो, डिसअपॉइंट किया हो, और मे बी फ्रस्ट्रेट किया हो, एंगर आया हो, कुछ भी. And once done, put done D in the chat box. To give you an example, my plan got cancelled at the last moment is one of the things that disappointed me. Okay, Pranavi says done. Amazing. What about others? Good evening, Rajat ji. We are writing 3 things that did not go your way recently.
Okay. Sorry for first of all, sorry for coming late.
People who come late, na, they don't know sorry is not allowed in this room.
Yeah, understood. But I was driving, just came.
Thank you for being here. Okay,
3
Shagufta
things
is
I have
done.
to write,
Yes.
which
Jaldi
didn't
jaldi
take.
se likho.
एक बार दोबारा बता दीजिए.
3 things that did not go your way recently.
Okay.
The things that might have triggered you, that might have given you stress, disappointment, frustration, anger,
Okay.
anything. Sarulata is done. थोड़ा थोड़ा गैप छोड़ देना हर उसके बाद ना, 1 के नीचे थोड़ा गैप छोड़ना, फिर 2, फिर थोड़ा गैप, 3, थोड़ा गैप. If you can remember only one, write one. Okay, Pushpa ji is done. Amazing. I'm looking for 2 more Ds, and then I'll tell you what to do with this. Pranavi, Shagufta, Sarulata, Pushpa. Okay. Okay, we have Rajat ji has also done. अरे इनकी तो बड़ी जल्दी से हो गई. What about others? Very good. Komal is also done. Amazing. चलो, I needed 2 more Ds. Now what I want you to do is, जो आपने लिख दिया है, Neha is also done. Amazing. उसके नीचे लिखो thank you for this because, and write a reason. कुछ तो अच्छा होगा उस सिचुएशन में भी. So for example, my plan got cancelled at the last moment. I wrote उसके नीचे thank you for this because it gave me time to rest and reset. Okay?
Reasons of
Hmm?
some good reasons.
हाँ, क्यों थैंक यू करोगे? थैंक यू तो अच्छी बात के लिए करते हैं ना.
Thank you for this trigger.
I have one question.
Yes.
From last few days, अगर हम बात करते हैं कुछ दिन पहले, मेरा फाइनेंशियल एक्सपेंडिचर ज्यादा ज्यादा होने लग गए, वेस्टेज ज्यादा होने लग गई, तो वो मेरे लिए एक अच्छा पॉइंट नहीं है. तो इसके लिए अगर मुझे थैंक यू लिखना है तो व्हाट शुड आई राइट?
Thank you that I got the wisdom to know that where am I spending extra money. Now I have the power to channelize the emotions, because most of the times हम emotional spending कर रहे होते हैं. So now I know where to spend and where not to spend.
Okay.
Anybody else has any suggestions for Rajat ji?
Same, I'm finding for my mom not understanding me. So what I'll be thankful for after this, I'm also finding.
My mom is not understanding me. Thank God she's not understanding me. Oh my God.
Then
Why would you be? It is giving me a sense of independence so that I first understand myself so that I can make others understand me better.
maybe I can
That
find
shows me that I'm not understanding myself better. If you understood yourself that good, you would be able to make her understand you as well.
it is like I don't have to prove myself, something like this.
Hmm?
It is
First of
like maybe I don't have to prove. I have to learn that I don't have to prove more and more. Yeah.
No, you don't need to prove anything to anybody, by the way.
Understanding was linked with my proving. So now I know that I don't have to do that act. That can be gratefulness.
अपने आप को पॉजिटिव कैसे करना है, इट्स ऑन अस. जो मर्जी बोल के खुशी मिलती है बोल लो.
I have a question.
हाँ जी पुष्पा जी.
Like I have written कि my plan to Somnath was cancelled. So first I have written this, so I was so much disappointed.
Hmm.
Second was कि I have not got any. My money was back for hotel was reserved, and all the tickets and everything was
Why
reserved.
was
So
it cancelled?
because that bomb blast, that airplane crashed that time.
शुक्र
So
है ना, शुक्राना तो ऐसे ही आ गया. अरे पैसे गए, जान तो बच गई.
okay, okay, fine. And I've written कि means I could not cared my son as I wanted to care him. Like
Hmm.
he's preparing for his MD exam. So I'm not cared today.
Hmm.
So I'm not feeling good about it.
And why are you not feeling good about it?
Because I'm not cared about him today.
So,
Means feeling bad
क्यों?
क्योंकि उसको मैंने केयर नहीं किया ना प्रॉपर टाइम पे
क्या
उसको.
करना चाहते थे?
I have something to add here.
Okay.
Pushpa ji, you should be happy because ऐसे वो self-sufficient बनेगा ना.
हाँ, I'm coming there. But I want to know, what did she want to do for him?
Giving him food on time and providing the things.
So what
So
happened?
I was
He-
busy with this household work, na, this whitewash and all these things.
हाँ, तो फिर उसने खाया नहीं?
He was like कि आपने केयर नहीं किया मुझे.
He will become self-dependent. We need to teach our kids to be dependent, self-dependent, independent. सबके पास एक एक पॉइंट है, व्हाट दे आर थैंकफुल फॉर द थ्री पॉइंट्स लिखे थे, उनमें से कोई एक के लिए थैंकफुलनेस आ गई? एटलीस्ट वन. गिव मी अ हार्ट अगर है तो. Nia has it, Shagufta has it. Pushpa ji has it. Sarulata has it. Komal has it. चलो जब तक औरों के हार्ट्स आते हैं, let's start taking the shares. Sarulata, share one problem that you were facing and the gratitude that you have shared for that.
Yeah, so I've one of my thing I've written is that being able to complete the sample videos. So for technical purpose, I had to cover up few topics within my planned time, but it was taking more time than I expected to focus actually. So I've written in the way that thank you that it allows me to create the momentum slowly and understand the topic very well. So thank you for this, so that I am able to grasp the technical terms in a very detailed manner rather than completing that actually. The focus is not to complete, the focus is to understand. So that I'm realizing now only when I'm writing this.
Amazing. All right, let's go to Komal.
Me or Kapoor?
कोई भी बोल दो यार, कोई तो बोलो. बोलने वाले बनो.
Yeah, so I've also written all the 3 points like for thankfulness of all the three which were first triggering me.
Give me
Thank
one. Share
thank
one.
thank you. In all the three, it's almost same that because all these were related triggers. So thank you that I am my true friend. I don't have to depend on others' behavior. Don't expect from her. Be confident in myself. Don't prove. Second में भी वही है कि dad से trigger था second one. तो I know I am my strength. ये अभी चाहे पूरा आया है चाहे नहीं, but these are the pointers which I have to work on. I have to not prove I am my own power. This is
Amazing.
like I don't have to always depend on validation and inner child or asking for love or something. Third is also I am my support.
Na,
I know what I'm doing.
Komal? 1.
Okay, yeah.
All right. Let's go to Pushpa ji.
Thank you.
I have already shared
Acha, वही same
all
है.
three.
Let's go to Komal Kapoor then. I see her camera on. I like the cameras on. Komal, can you hear us? अरे चला गया, ऑफ हो गया कैमरा. Oops. Komal, can you unmute yourself and share the problem and the thankfulness for that problem? All right, Rajat, please.
Yeah, I have written 2 problems which I recently faced, right? And out of that, one is the financial.
You're not audible अच्छे से.
Yeah, am I audible?
सिर्फ मुझे ही कम आ रही है कि औरों को भी कम आ रही है?
आवाज आ रही है?
Can't hear proper. It's
थोड़ी कम ही आ रही है.
थोड़ी कमी आ रही है. अभी ठीक है?
चलो आप बोलो, हम आपको सुन रहे हैं ध्यान से.
Now it's okay?
Yes.
Yeah, I've changed the mic. Yeah, one is a financial wastage which I have done recently from last 15 to 20 days. And I'll be thankful now that I have understood, I have realized myself that how I utilize my money, how and where I can spend my money, so that it will be saved also and spent also. Money balancing I can understand and I have understood, so I'll be thankful for that.
Amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Let's hear it from Shagufta.
Yes, the child behavior, as I said recently. And from this, what I learned is thank you for this, because due to this, I became a calm and cool person. बच्चे के साथ मैं भी हाइपर एक्टिव हो रही थी. So after this, I realized that this made me cool and calm.
Amazing. Beautiful. Let's hear it from Madhulika.
Hi, Karishma. Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Thanks. Thanks for the opportunity. I could not write my 3 problems, but by this age, I have faced a number of problems, and every problem helped me grow. It is because of all those problems, because I am here, I have grown up. Otherwise, you don't find a reason to come out of your comfort zone and learn new things.
True.
You learn new things. I'm sure, Shagufta, you must have talked to the counselor just because you were facing that problem. Right? Rajat, you must have learned about finances because you fell into that trap of extravagant or whatever.
That's true.
So all these problems are nothing but the ladder how we grow up. It depends on us how we take it. It is never being dependent how big was the problem. It is how tall we stand in front of the problem. Once you are taller than the problem is always shorter than you. So the best way to face a problem is to stand taller than a problem. So each and every problem of my life has came me so far. I learned parenting because when my daughter was small, I never learned parenting because it was a very easy go child. Usko bolo nahi aise nahi karte, maan liya. When my son, he made me learn parenting. I said, I am missing something out of my life. I need to learn something. How can I handle this situation? I learned parenting. And that led me the path to be a trainer. And that's why I came out of my comfort zone. That yes, after being 25 years as a housewife, as a homemaker, I stepped out. That gave me the confidence that yes, I can lead it. And I am a corporate trainer now. So that's a small thing that came with a big leap. I took a big leap, and yes, here I am.
Amazing.
So thanks for all the problems, whatever have come so far. Gratitude to the problems that yes, help us to grow. They help us to come out of the comfort zone, and then only the growth is there.
Thank you. Thank you, Madhulika, for sharing that.
But
It makes a lot of sense.
one thing I have learned with past 2 months, I would like to share it with you, everyone. That there is no such word called problem. A situation is, there is only a situation, whether it is favorable or not favorable, right? How the situation you can handle, we can handle the situation. So problem is a big word. It is a blunder. A problem आ गई मेरे ऊपर तो आर्थिक प्रॉब्लम आ गई, मानसिक प्रॉब्लम आ गई, शारीरिक प्रॉब्लम आ गई, कुछ भी. These are the situations. So how to handle? Though I am also unable to handle some of these situations, and I am trying to handle these situations. So problem नाम का शब्द जो है थोड़ा सा डरावना लगता है.
Amazing. Thank you for sharing that.
Thank you.
Let's hear it from Neha. Neha, would you like to share yours?
Yeah, recently I had given an interview. So unfortunately I couldn't crack that interview. But prior to that, I also wanted to go through, this training and some hard skill, which was necessary for the interview. I mean, for that role. So, but in the course of time, I thought that maybe after getting this job, I'll just enroll myself in this course and I'll learn it simultaneously. But what happened? Suddenly, I got a call from the interviewer, and they told me that you're not selected. So, I was for a moment, I would say, honestly, I was disheartened for a moment, and then I thought to myself that I also need to that I needed to go through a certification. So I'll just I'll get some downtime to learn it and apply it and then apply in the future role that I am aspiring for. So in that sense, it really helped me out. So I was thankful to that for not having the opportunity.
Yes. Thanks. Next time, whenever you are going to go for an interview, you will have next level of confidence because you already have the skill. You're not on the way of learning it, right?
Yes, absolutely.
All right. Komal Kapoor, can you unmute yourself and share yours? Yes.
Yeah. There was this connection problem on my end.
I think you have a network problem.
So actually, this vacation, we were not able to, go.
Network issue is there.
You actually have a very bad network problem. I see that. I hear that. What do I say on that? इसके लिए thankful कैसे हो सकते हैं? Tell me now. Anybody?
Yes.
It is I can say it is a phase of time that can passes. Everybody has to face these type of situations. You have to be patient.
I think Komal is saying something.
Hear me?
No, we can't hear you, Komal. We can't hear you. Keep your camera off and then try. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Was this a valuable session for you? The last 5 days that we have spent together, were they of value to you?
Yeah.
Yes, no, maybe.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Rajaji.
Yes.
Thank you, Komal. Thank you, Pushpaji. Thanks, Neha.
Yes.
Thanks, Shagufta.
Yeah.
The journey forward is more of sessions like these itself. We read, and today 11:11. Wow, angels are watching. So From here, when you move forward with me, there is an energy exchange that is there.
7,
And
7, 11, 11.
sorry,
7, 7, 11, 11. Today is
7,
7
7,
July.
11. Yes. So if you think that this book will make sense to you, give me a yes in the chat box, please. I want you to know that transformation never happens in a few sessions. It takes some time. It needs a thorough and a consistent reflection and more meaningful conversations, daily reminders as well. So that is why this book reading club was created, and I always take an initiative to call everybody whosoever can come and attend these sessions to understand what exactly we do in these sessions. Now moving forward, I want to take 6 people from this room forward. I already have 4 people with me, and I don't want to fill my room with more than 10 people because I want to take shares. I want to talk. I want to know the personal problems, and I want to be with them virtually as well as emotionally connected. Yeah. बुक आप सबको पता है कि हम लाइफ अमेजिंग सीक्रेट पढ़ रहे हैं, गौर गोपाल दास की है. I have deliberately searched over net to bring out the videos that I could connect with the chapters to share with you. How many of you got the PDF and you had a chance to go through it? Did you like it? Me. Okay. जिसने अटेंड किया था उसको
Yes.
मिली होगी.
Yes.
Pushpa ji got it. Komal got it. Did you like it?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. So, when you enroll for this book reading club, you get daily group readings, reflection time, private community of like-minded seekers. You get a safe space to share and be heard. You get implementation prompts because knowing without doing is incomplete. I believe that to the core of myself. एंड आई बिलीव दैट हम जो भी पढ़ रहे हैं उसका साथ साथ अगर यूज नहीं किया, उसको इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया, अपनी लाइफ के साथ हमने कनेक्ट नहीं किया, तो इट वोंट मेक मच सेंस एंड शिफ्ट भी नहीं आएगा. There will be a personal support and one-on-one clarity call every month to understand where are you stuck, what is it that is blocking you on your personal journey and your goals and everything. And yes, that is what we do in the book reading club. But I said the people who come in today's session are also going to get a gift. वो मैं बाद में बताऊंगी. पहले let me know, would any of you be interested in going in the journey forward with me on this book? Madhulika. Thanks, Madhulika. Thanks, Shagufta.
I'm already there.
I know. Sarulata sees me. Yes. Okay. Komal is already there. Komal आपने तो already अच्छा दोनों कोमल हैं already मेरे पास. Madhulika is coming with us and Neha is coming with us. Amazing. The energy exchange of this is 999 rupees per month. And yes, I what I can guarantee you is that you will get full value.
Rajat has also written me, I think.
Yeah.
Rajat has also written me, yeah, in chat box.
कौन है? रजत जी ने लिखा है. Okay, welcome Rajat ji. Looking forward to have you with us on this journey. रुको मैं पढ़ती हूँ यहाँ से. Rajat ji has said, Sarulata has said, Neha has said. Okay, good. Hi पुष्पा जी को नहीं अच्छा लगा. It's okay. Take your time.
अच्छा लगा, but some other applications are
Commitments. Yes,
that
I
is
agree.
they
And
don't allow
keeping
me.
that in mind, I know some people have problem with attending the 10 p.m. club. And that is why I'm inviting each one of you to come and experience the book reading sessions that happens at 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon. Does that work for you? How many of you would be interested to be with me for next 3 days in the book reading session that happens at 1:30 p.m. कोमल तो है ही, Madhulika and Rajaji. The book that we are reading in that is Awaken the Giant Within by Tony Robbins. Okay, it is a very powerful, very deep and book, and it is actually, I would say, life-altering book. People who are with me in those sessions know that how deep and reflective book it is. Okay, that's it from my end. Before we go from here, I would love for you to, shift the lens. Ask yourself deeper questions. And you will know for yourself. All 10 of us.
I'm saying like today, I would love to have every one of us every day.
Yes.
Sure.
Even
Karishma,
if you have any
I have
resistances.
I have a query regarding the timings.
Yes,
That
please.
I work in rotational shifts. So sometimes I am in night shift, sometimes I am in morning or afternoon. So it's like that. So if I can align my book reading this time, I mean the slot, like if I work in night, so can I join in the real time, like in at what's the time? Afternoon time?
1:30 p.m.
So can I join at that time when
देखो, I
while
don't
I'm
have any problem with you joining either
Hmm.
of the groups. I don't have any
Okay.
problem with that. But the problem with it will be a problem for you because we would be reading something and you might or might not be able to connect. You will get the value that will be given in that session. But whether you will be able to connect with what has been read in the past or not is, I don't know. You get
No,
that?
that I completely understand that. Do you, I mean, I just wanted to know if
It's
the
okay by me. It's okay by me. I do
okay.
not have any problem with that.
Yeah, the missing chapters they can read at home some days.
I provide all the recordings as well. If you miss any session or something, you can go back and visit all the recordings as well.
Yeah, that also works.
Thank you. Thank you for the question. And anybody else has any question?
I think we all should have our own book also at home so that someday, in any case, we are missing, we can catch up all those sessions anytime. Yeah.
Yes.
And for better understanding also, sometimes we love to read, okay, same things.
In
Yeah.
any case, I share the PDF as well of the book. And if you do not have the book, you can read through the PDF as well. ठीक है?
Karishma, have you already shared the PDF?
Yes. नहीं, not for this book, not yet.
Okay.
No, this book का तो ग्रुप में दिया हुआ है ना. इस बुक की मैंने PDF ग्रुप में डाल दी थी. Yes. It is in the group description.
Okay. I'll check.
Now the link of this this session is not going to work. I'm going to create a new link which will be shared in the 10 p.m. club. You have been added to the 10 p.m. club, right, Komal?
Yes.
Right. So I'll be sharing a new link over there. People with the link there will be joining this. Even if you're not going ahead with us, it's absolutely fine. Stay in the group because there will be something or the other that will be coming your way in any case, right? There will be times when I'll be opening maybe one session or two sessions off and on for each one of you. ठीक है? So God bless you. Or before we go, I would love for each one of you to give me a testimonial. How was it? How was the journey for you in last 5 days? So that I can help more and more people be with me in this energy and move forward. All right. And the ones who have committed, a very warm and a hearty welcome. I'm looking forward to have you tomorrow at 10 p.m. And rest of you, God bless you. Take good care of yourself. Keep reading. Don't miss out on reading. And may you be blessed. God bless you with lots of abundance and growth in your life.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
Good
Karishma.
night.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.